Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students. Before we start our study, please, Ainur, lead to pray.
We study. Let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray finish.
Okay. How are you today, students?
Fine.
Okay, fine.
I'm fine.
Everybody
Yes.
fine? Before we
Yep.
continue our material,
Pretty sure.
did you still remember what's the our previous material?
Past tense and present tense. Pakai verb 2.
Oke, pakai verb 2. Kalau to be, verb 2 buat yang verbal. Kalau yang ini, to be, pakai to be apa? Kalau tunggal kita pakai
Was.
tunggal was, kalau jamak
Was were.
were. Kalau ini present perfect,
Were.
ya were. Kalau jamak. Kalau present perfect itu pakai verb berapa ya? Ya, verb 3. Sebelum verb 3 itu selalu diawali sama have atau has. Cara mengingatnya simple ya. Kalau Dewi Ayu kan nggak suka es, berarti pakai selebihnya she it, berarti kita pakai has. Dilanjutkan sama verb 3.
Yes.
Our material still correlated with past tense. Anyone who wants to read?
I can.
Okay, yes please. Yes please.
Can.
Ya silakan salah satu. Ya silakan dibaca.
Ainur.
Oke, Ainur. Recount text.
Recount text. Social function is the purpose of a recount is to list and describe past experience by retelling events in the order in which they happened or chronological order.
Yes.
Recounts are written to retell events with the purpose of either informing or entertaining.
Berikutnya, types of recount. Silakan dilanjutkan.
Saya, Mister.
What's your name?
Adisti.
Adisti first. Adisti dulu ya. Oke.
Ya.
Jenis-jenis recount atau types of recount. Please read.
Types of recount. First, personal recount is usually retell an event that the writer was personally involved in.
Oke.
Second, factual recount regarding an accident, e.g. a science
dibaca ini ya,
experiment.
for example.
For example, a
Okay.
science experiment police report. Third,
Yes.
imaginative recount, writing an imaginary role and giving details of even example a day in the life is pirate, how I invented,
Bla bla bla.
bla bla
Ya,
bla.
jadi itu diambil dari buku Forward.
Untuk menyatakan peristiwa atau kejadian yang sudah terjadi.
Ya, jadi menceritakan kembali. Jadi, misalkan ini saya menceritakan pengalaman saya dulu, saya pernah SD di SDN Prigen di Pasuruan, setelah itu lanjut ke Pandaan pada tahun sekian-sekian. After elementary, junior high, and then senior high. Senior itu SMA ya. Kalau kalian kan bukan SMA ya. Kalau kalian vocational ya.
Vocational.
Tuh, jadi nanti kalian misalkan bercerita kelas 10 kan itu namanya juga recount. Kalau misalkan kalian mendengar cerita ini fable, kalau di Ipin Upin itu cerita apa ya? Di Kancil dan lain-lainnya itu. Jadi nanti kalian disuruh biasanya cari sinonim padanan kata atau yang berkaitan dengan 5W1H yang ada di situ. Okay, after we study about recount text, Do you have any question?
No.
No
Nothing.
question. Best moment, Ainur.
Gimana? Drown
When
on swimming pool.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. How did it happen? Kok bisa tenggelam? Kenapa?
Because I can't swimming.
You can swimming when you
When I was child,
about
3 years.
about 2 years, when you were 2 years old. Okay,
Yes,
that's
right.
a bad experience, I think. Okay, thank you, Ainur. How about Adisti?
Yes, thank you.
For me, is when I go to Bali for the first time in
Hmm,
my junior high school.
okay, when you verb duanya go apa? Kan ini pakai ini verb
When?
2.
When?
Ya, jadi
When?
ya, jadi Adisti
Yeah,
bercerita
Mister.
tentang Bali. Biasanya ini after graduation, setelah lulusan SMP.
Yeah, yeah, Mister.
Oke, 2019.
2019.
Okay,
Yeah,
2019. Maybe on July. It's right.
yeah, Mister.
Okay. When you Adisti went to Bali by bus and naik bis sama
Kapal.
kapal. Kapal in English,
Kenapa, Mister?
bahasa Inggrisnya kapal.
Boat.
Oh,
Ya,
boat.
by
Ship,
boat.
ship, ship.
Pakai perahu apa kapal ya?
Kapal. Ship.
Ada yang ke Bali naik bis, terus bisnya ditaruh perahu, tenggelam ya
Tenggelam nanti,
perahunya ya.
Mister.
Ya, tuh pakai kapal ya, boat. Okay, after you arrive at harbor in Bali, had breakfast maybe.
Lunch.
Oh,
Lunch.
nyampe nya
No,
siang
Mister.
ya?
Ya, terus
Oh,
baru nyampe hotelnya itu malam.
okay. After you had lunch and you had travel with your teacher and your friends,
Ya.
did you remember the name of hotel? Nama hotelnya masih ingat?
Alkifa.
Eh,
Alkifa Hotel.
where is it? In Denpasar?
Uh, I forgot, Mister.
Oh, it's okay. You can, you can write your story after this. The last, Dania Putri,
Yeah, Mister. Yeah.
with Adisti.
Same with Adisti. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Orientation, mungkin orientasinya sama ya, berangkat ke Bali. You went to Bali
Yes.
from Sidoarjo by bus and continue
By
by
bus.
uh,
By ferry.
ferry. But I think you have different event. Ya,
Yes.
saya yakin ini eventnya berbeda ya di sama ini Adisti.
Iya, Mister.
Yeah. Different.
Oke,
Tujuannya beda.
oke, ya. Nanti jadi si Ainur tadi kan ini tenggelam ya di kolam renang ketika 2 tahun lalu. Terus Adisti sama
Iya.
sama Dania sama-sama ke Bali sekitar 2 tahun yang
Yes.
lalu. Oke,
Iya, Mister.
2019. 2019 ya. Last
Iya.
year. Ya,
Yeah,
tahun lalu ya.
2019.
Oke, jadi Ainur
Yeah.
usianya 2 tahun, terus Adisti sama Dania pengalamannya tahun lalu ya, meskipun apa ini
I think
rentan
it's
waktunya
around.
berbeda, ya that's still recount. Oke, jadi tugasnya terus dibuat orientasinya itu persiapan perjalanan, terus untuk event satunya mungkin ketika kalian nyampe, event duanya event keduanya ya apa saja yang kalian lakukan di sana. Untuk eventnya itu bergantung kepada ini ya, based on the writer, terserah si penulisnya. Kalau ada eventnya banyak ya kamu ceritakan banyak ya. Kalau eventnya cuma 2 ya sudah. Jadi untuk generic structure-nya diingat ya, after title setelah judul itu event 1, event 2 ya, eventnya ada berapa itu nanti kebutuhan kalian sendiri. Yang terakhirnya itu reorientation. Tahu ya reorientation?
Pesan-pesan
Ya.
Ya semacam kesan
Penceritaan
kalian
kembali.
ya, menceritakan kembali atau mengulas lagi terus kesannya gimana. Clear? Sudah
Iya.
jelas semuanya?
Sudah.
Jelas, Mister.
Mungkin ada yang ditanyakan? Okay, before we close our study, please Dania, lead to pray.
Before we close our study, let's play together. Finish.
Okay, don't forget submit and please remember the deadline. Jangan lupa ya dikumpulkan sama deadline-nya juga. Saya sudah share di Google
Ya,
Classroom-nya. Oke, stay healthy, jaga kesehatan ya.
Oke.
Ya,
Thank you for your attention. See you
Thank
next
you.
meeting.